Hey there, Marketer Assassin here, and today's tutorial is how to rank on Facebook. Now, as easy as this may sound and seem, a lot of people don't know how to do this, and it is sad. Yeah, you're right. It's sad if you're thinking that. If you're an advanced marketer, then this video isn't for you because I'm talking to all the beginners out there who are still new at this marketing thing on how or and how to utilize all the tools out here to for free to help promote or you know advertise whatever you're trying to promote or advertise, and a lot of people don't know. So you make a business page, because this is the only way this is going to work. You make a business page, and first of all, you need a Facebook profile, so you need a Facebook period. And Facebook has gotten even pickier about creating a Facebook, so because and it is you can't blame them or get mad at them, because it does make sense. There's a lot of Facebook spam accounts out there, a lot of fake accounts. So I mean, and that people make out there, and they don't really use period. So can't really blame them though. So they're very picky about people making new Facebook, and they gotta know it's you, basically. So be look out for that though, and make sure you have a legitimate Facebook account, and make sure it's not a fake spam Facebook account. So yeah, you want to make a legit Facebook account, and then here what you want to do is you want to make a business page, and uh, any post you make, you have the ability to boost it, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so what is boosting? How do you boost? Well, it's actually simple, very simple. It's at the end of it. And it should already be embedded in, like, on your phone, on your laptop, computer, whatever, internet wise. It should already have this option to boost your picture. But you have to have a business page, but it should have that option. Boosting is basically Facebook and how their system basically, like, makes your post relevant, and it pushes it to get more views, like forcibly, and it really works too. But like I said, this is for the beginners out there. You know what I'm saying? You guys are rookies, but in order to survive in this marketing jungle out here, you gotta think big. You gotta think smart. You can't think harder. You gotta think smarter. Okay, that's what's making people rich nowadays. They think they're smart. They're not. It doesn't matter how strong they are, or how hard they work, whatever. It's about how smart they are, how clever they are, how they can get around things, and overcome obstacles that don't stand in their way. So yeah, boosting, I mean, it's a very simple process. You want to make sure you're targeting a specific area, like a specific audience, and you don't want to just be all over the place, and shooting, you know what I'm saying? It's like with a like if you're like a hunter or a gunman, like you're not gonna be shooting everywhere. You want to be a perfect gunman. You have to target. You have to find your target, and you gotta stick to that target, and you gotta nail that target. You can't just shoot everywhere, because you're gonna keep missing. You know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna be frustrated and wonder why nothing is happening, why nothing is working. And it's gonna be because you're all over the place. You're not focused. You're not targeting a specific audience. So that's all it's about. You gotta know who you're targeting and who you're going for, and then when you go from there, it just works. It works like magic, really. You know what I'm saying? Facebook pushes your post and actually helps you. So that's how you can build an audience, and you can you can have more opportunities to do other things with it. So definitely, we're gonna hop into this, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can target your specific audience, and you can do a whole bunch of things, a range of people who you want to target, what country, what state, age limit. All that is very important, and very knowledgeable and valuable information you need to learn. So we're going to dive right into this. Give me one sec. Okay, what I have here is a new one of my mini Facebook pages that I've created over the time, and this is one of the new Facebook pages that I've created, and basically this is basically like an ad, but it's not an ad. There's an option where you can create your own ad, and it's different, but it's similar to this because the way you can create it and target a specific audience is the same way you could do it on here. You know, only that this is not an ad. This is a pic. This is a post that you've created. So if you want this post to reach a specific audience and get noticed more, um, here's what you do. See people you choose through targeting. So we're gonna click this, and perfect. Here it is. Edit audience. Make sure to save. Okay, blah blah blah. Gender. You know, you want to either. This is very important because you want to know who exactly you're targeting. You know, you don't want to be all over the place. You know, you could, but you want to make it very specific as possible. You know, that's the only way this is gonna work. And you got to fill in all the blanks. Because if everything you leave out, the more it's gonna be harder for Facebook to help you, and it's gonna be harder for them to push your post. So you want to constantly be more specific and fill in the blank on all of them. So you can either target men or women, and or both of them. Like an even an age range, 13 to 23, and then on this one, 55 to 65. So that's very interesting. That's something useful all the way. You see, it goes even further. So you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a very useful tool for you to understand and get the hang of. So you can choose the age limit. You want to be very smart about that, and you can even choose the location. I mean, this thing is so like viral. Like, it's very viral. Like, it's it's everywhere. You can target anywhere. Like anything you can think of. Canada. I'm gonna target Canada. See, Canada. Anywhere specific in Canada, you know, or anywhere specific in the United States, even China. That's crazy. There might be like people in China that's really, you know, messing and you know down with your whatever you're trying to promote. They might like your brand or whatever. They might be interested. You can target them. You know what I'm saying? And it's anywhere you can target. So that's very useful and very powerful for you to understand and get the hang of, guys. And this is for all you beginners out there, or just for people who just didn't understand this boosting process. This is where you can boost it, and it really helps. It really helps people in make an impact and build up an audience and a fan base or a group or community. Very fast and easy, and a simple process. You know, it's just very simple. You just gotta to do the work and uh, fill in the blanks and do all that you need to do. So you can also do, let's say, New York. You could, and it doesn't have to. It could be anything. It could be a specific city. It could be a specific state, country, anything, guys. Um, Houston, Chicago, Chicago. No, it's not Chicago. It could be anything, guys. I don't know. Uh, Dallas, Texas, Missouri, or Mississippi. So it could be anything, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's a very useful tool and a powerful tool to keep in mind and be aware of. And this one, you can add demographics, interests, and behaviors. So I guess that's a new one that Facebook added. So they're constantly, Facebook is constantly improving their craft. They're always improving their craft. Every day they're improving their craft, and that's nothing. That's like nothing to but motivation right there. Like, that should be like nothing but motivation to people right there. Facebook should be like a big motivation to people, because, and then they should inspire people, because Facebook is always constantly improving their craft. Like Mark Zuckerberg is always improving his craft every day. He's trying to become smarter, more brilliant, and more richer every day. And he's trying to be trying to make an impact, a bigger impact every day. So that should be motivation. You should want to be you should want to be knowledgeable and learn as all that you can to improve your craft and become more powerful in this today's world, because that's all it takes, guys. You just gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep pushing and learning. So business, all these entertainment, family, relationships. It's a lot of stuff, guys. Wow. You know what I'm saying? All kinds of ways. Look, and it even gives you a range. Every time you edit something, or add something, or whatever, it gives you a range of how much people the potential reach you will get. So that's 19 million right there. So that is just amazing that Facebook can do that for you. So that's, you keep that in mind, guys. This is awesome, and it's very powerful, guys. So that you can pick your audience. Um, what else is on here, and then you can save it. So once you save that, you don't have to recreate a new audience. You can use the same one if you want to. So that's very awesome too. Facebook knows what they're going after and what they're trying to do, and it's just up to you to figure out what you're trying to do. So once you look in the budget, it makes you pick the budget and the duration um, of how long you want the post to be. And you guys, don't worry about this. It doesn't start you off at 10. It only starts off at 10 for me, because I've already spent some money on other posts to rank up. So it's 10 for me. But this is per day. This is not actually bad. 570 to 2,000, almost 3,000 per people per day. You know, and that's pretty awesome. You can put a range of how you want this, how long you want this post running, how long you want them to push it. Look, all the way to $300, guys. So if you really got bankroll like that, guys, and you really want to like take off quickly and like really fast, and like get this thing going, you can do 17,000 all the way to 110,000. So that's very per day, guys, per day. So that's very powerful. And yeah, that's very important. So you can set it to a day. Look, 40,000 to 200,000 per day. So I guess that's the potential of what it can reach in one day. 7 days, this is potential 8,000 to 50,000 people per day for 7 days per week, basically. And 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. 4,000 to 23,000. So that's pretty cool per day. You will spend. I'll tell you the estimate of how much you'll spend. So that's pretty cool. And then you just boost, and it'll take you straight to the payment plan. And once you go to the payment plan, it'll take anything. It'll take from MasterCard, Visa card, all that. It does a prepaid card, gift card. I'll take all that. You know what I'm saying? Facebook's not that picky, so about your pay, how what do you want to pay to do all this, or which payment tool you want to use. So yeah, any card you can use. So once you push boost now, and then you're off and set, and then that's how you do it. And then I'll make another video of how you can make an ad. I mean, this is basically an ad, but it's like I said, I already told you from the beginning of the video, or in the middle, how this differs from an ad and how it's different. So definitely. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and you have a good, what is this? Oh, you can even boost. You see, boom. So if you want, you can boost it to how it look like in a computer. You can boost it to how it look like on. You can see how it look like on the phone, the mobile phone. So all these are very useful tools, guys, to keep in mind and use. You know, so you fill in everything, and that'll help. Always fill in the blank. Don't leave nothing out, guys, because every time you leave something out, it will just constantly keep I mean, it'll work, but it won't work as good as you thought it to be or what it could be. So keep that in mind. I hope this was very helpful to you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button below, subscribe, because this is all I talk about. And stay tuned for another video. The next video, later video, I'll show you guys how to use Facebook advertising and how to constantly keep that running, just like your posts and stuff like that. And how to use Instagram. Instagram is doing the same thing. They're doing the exact same thing. It's different, but it's the way you can do all this and boost your Facebook is the same way you can, or a picture is the same way you can do on Facebook. I mean, on YouTube, Instagram. So this is that. Just keep that in mind. This is very important.